I went to Five and Below and I seen these breads and I wanted to try them. So let's try them together. I got some cornbread and some ugly cake. And we're going to start off with the cornbread because this is the one I picked up first. And it looked good. So let's open it. There's 4 in a pack and it looks like this when you open it. It smells like it smells like it's nasty. There's none in the inside. Oh, yes there is. There's just like, y'all see that? Now we're gonna try the ugly cake. There's 4 in this pack as well. This don't smell too bad, but by the taste of the other one, I'm terrified. This is manageable. This ain't too bad. It gives angel cake. It's not nasty. That banana bread, through. Disgusting trifling. It's not bad. It's just real like, it gives squishy. It gives, I don't know. It don't have too much of a taste. Don't go waste y'all money. I'm telling y'all that. Don't go waste y'all money. Thank you guys for watching.